let's get started. So today we are going to look at our first extension, and it's not going to be that hard to understand it or install it or use it. It's actually related to the icons of our files. So all of our files and folders has some default icons. As you can see, this .css has this sharp icon, .html has this greater than sign and less than sign, and the JSON files has these curly braces of an object, right? And the folders that have these ugly arrow signs, so they are not fun at all and I don't like them. So I use one extension called Visual Studio Code Icons, and I'm going to show you how you can actually install it and use it. It's pretty easy to do, install and use. So just go into your extensions. By default it's going to show in the popular section too. As you can see, here it is, Visual Studio Code Icons. In case it's not shown there, just go and type in the search bar Visual Studio Code, and most likely the first one or the second one is going to be this one, the Visual Studio Code Icons. Just click on the install button, and as you can see it started installing, and for me it's already has done. So click on this set file icon theme and just go back to your folder hierarchy, and as you can see all of these icons are changed, and they are now using the default logos of the extension type. For example, CSS has this 3 kind of logo, the HTML has this 5, HTML5 has this 5 kind of logo, so does NPM has this logo. So for the folders it's now using these beautiful folder icons. So as you can see, it's way better than using the default icons you were actually using. It might even make your work faster, as it does for me. So that's it for this video, guys. That was our first extension.